not all the time, we are doing good works. So, ibig bang sabihin nun, na kapag hindi ako gumagawa ng good works, abay wala talaga akong pananampalataya? On James 2:26, just as the body is dead without breath, so also faith is dead without good works. Ano ba talaga sinasabi mo, James? Patunayan natin ang ating pananampalataya sa pamamagitan ng good works? Hindi. Okay? Ganito po, linawanagin natin ang sinasabi ni James. Pinagkumpara niya ang hininga ng tao sa living faith. Because a living person doesn't need to force himself to breathe. Automatic na marunong kang huminga. Innate yan sa'yo. Nakalagay yan, nakaprogram yan sa'yo na huminga ka. So the same thing with our faith. A person with a living faith doesn't need to force himself to do good works to prove his faith. Hindi mo kailangan puwersahin ang sarili mong gumawa ng good works para mapatunayan na buhay ang pananampalataya mo because it comes naturally. Living faith naturally produces works that pleases God. Hindi mo papatunayan ang pananampalataya mo through good works. Natural kasi siyang kasama ng pananampalataya natin. Because faith is determined not by our talk, but by our walk. Ang Panginoon ay sinasabi din sa atin, your work, your good works is testifying to the faith that you have.